Hi guys, thank you for tuning in and you're welcome to my pancake wraps recipe. To the ingredients for the pancake itself, we'll be using 2 eggs, 1.5 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, milk, half teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredients together in one bowl, and in another bowl I'm going to crack 2 eggs inside, after which I'm going to add the milk inside, which is 1 cup of milk, and just whisk it together until it is well combined. After that one is done, I'm just going to add our dry ingredients together and mix it very well. So I'm just going to mix everything until everything is well combined together, and I'm just going to make sure that there is no lumps inside. So since I don't like my pancake very thick, I'll be adding a bit of water, basically half cup of water. And you don't also want to make it too light or too thick, but just make it on your own texture that you want. After which I'm going to add the butter inside and also mix it very well until everything is well combined, and then put aside. So to the filling in, these are the ingredients we'll be using some carrots and a kind of tunafish, that's how they call it in English, some tomatoes, some mushrooms, seasoning cube, and some dry ingredients like ginger, garlic, a bit of white pepper, sliced onion, and mixed vegetable. I like this mixed vegetable because it's already chopped and it has different types of vegetable, and 2 eggs. So let's just make it now. So we're just going to put a frying pan on the fire with a bit of oil, and then you want to put your onion. Let it fry for some like 1 minute, and then after which you add your tomatoes inside, and you just want to let the tomatoes cook for like, let's just say 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want it too dry also, so you just want to make it for just 2 minutes, and then you add your tuna fish inside. Let it cook for a while for like 2 minutes. Combine, make sure it is well mixed with the tomatoes, and then you will add your mushroom at this point of time. After adding it, every moment you add something, you just have to let it cook and mix. And now you're also going to add your dry ingredients, which are the garlic, ginger, and some salt for taste. Mix it very well, after which I'm going to put the vegetables into the already cooked fish and tomatoes. Mix everything together, and then you add the egg. You mix the egg very well and add it to it. Add your seasoning cube for taste and mix everything together. For the carrot, I'm going to add it in the end because I want to have the crunchy taste. I don't want it to be soft, so that's why I'm going to add it in the end. And voila, our sauce is ready. Now we are going to fry the pancake. I'm just going to put a frying pan on the fire, put a little bit of oil on it, and then fry the pancake. As we already know, I believe we all know how to fry pancakes. So I'm just going to fry the pancake and leave it for a while for one side, and then flip it to the other side. Let it be for some seconds, remove it, and I'm just going to repeat the process until everything is fried. And yeah, our pancakes are ready and we are ready to fill. For the filling in, I'm also going to be using some mayonnaise, which is optional. You must not put it, but I love it like that. So I'm just going to use a spatula to spread the mayonnaise all over the pancake, and then put the filling in inside. And you can also wrap it the way you want. So I'm just going to show you 2 ways that I wrap mine. how it pleases me. So I'm just going to, after putting the vegetable or the filling in the middle, I'm just going to flip the two sides of the pancake, cover it, and then roll it till the end. And voila, that is done. This one is wrapped. So for the second one, I'm also do the same thing. Put the mayonnaise and put the filling in the middle, and I'm just going to roll it over. I'm not going to flip the side, I'm just going to roll it over. So you can also do it the way you want. Just wrap it the way it pleases you and the way you think you enjoy it, that your filling in will not fall. Then I'm just going to repeat the process until everything is wrapped. So our pancakes are ready. You can eat it for breakfast or dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching till this end. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like, share the video, and leave a comment. And I will see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye.